Can you show me the silly face, Margot? Silly face.
Face.
Silly face.
No.
And
Face.
face. Anong face yan? Oh, happy face. Paano happy? How about the calm face? Whoa. How about the... ayun. Okay na. Ikaw naman. How about the angry face? Angry. Oh. How about the... How about the... Smile. Ayan. How about the... Crying face. The sad face. Sad. How? Can you show me the sad face? Really?
Yun.
Ha? Ayan o, worried face, sabi niya. Ganito anak ang worried face.